Hi, this is Learn Igbo on igboticnono. Okay, and in today's Learn Igbo, we are going to be talking about phrases in Igbo language. Yes, guys, I can't overemphasize teaching phrases on this on this channel, because these phrases are what will help you to make sentences. When you know the meaning of a word, then you can use it to make sentence, right? I have my notes here, so I'm looking this way from time to time, so please don't be offended. In today's video, we're going to be learning 33 Igbo phrases of the day, okay? 33 Igbo useful phrases, okay, on Learn Igbo with igboticnono. So basically on this channel, we learn Igbo language. Okay, so number one here is Dalo. Dalo. Dalo means thank you. Thank you. Dalo. Thank you. We have also Dalo rinne. Dalo rinne. Dalo rinne is thank you so much. When you're very appreciative of what somebody did for you, you're very happy of what somebody did for you, you say Dalo rinne. Dalo rinne. That's thank you so much. We also have Kekwanu. Kekwanu, it's a very short form of saying Kedokwanu. So usually we don't say Kedokwanu most often. We just say Kekwanu, and it means how are you? So if you hear somebody say Kekwanu, it also means Kedokwanu. Do you understand? It means how are you? And we also have here Onye na ekwu. Onye na ekwu. Who is speaking? Who is talking? Who is speaking? Who is talking? Onye na ekwu. Who is speaking or who is talking? Onye na ekwu. We also have it's me. It's me. You know, when you say onye na ekwu, who is talking, and the person responds it's me. And we also have Bikobia. Bikobia means please come. Bikobia, please come. Okay? Bikobia, please come. We also have Biko Biagodi. Biko Biagodi, please just come. Biko Biagodi, please just come. We also have Jisike. Jisike is well done. Jisike, well done. Jisike, well done. Okay. We also have Enwaka. Enwaka is also well done. Okay. Jisike, well done. We also have Ndo. Ndo means sorry. Ndo, sorry. I think this one is very popular. It's like a bonus on today's lesson, okay? On today's Igbo lesson, this is just a bonus. Sorry, Ndo. We also have Anam Abia. Anam Abia basically means I am coming. Anam Abia, I am coming. Anam Abia, I am coming. Okay? You say Iwe ewekwanagi. Iwe ewekwanagi means please don't be angry. It's a form of apology. It's a form of showing you're sorry. Do you understand? Biko iwe ewekwanagi. Biko iwe wenagi. Please don't be angry. Do you understand? Kambiakwa. Kambiakwa. Kambiakwa means I am coming. Kambiakwa, I am coming. Kambiakwa, I am coming. Means yes. Means yes. We also have can you say N means yes, of course. N, yes, of course. You're very sure what you said. So it's N, you're very sure. Yes, of course. We also have Mba is no. It's also a bonus on this lesson today. Yes, it's also a bonus on today's Igbo lesson. Yes, because I'm very sure everybody on this channel, if you're a very faithful person on this channel, you should have learned mba by now. Mba means no. Mbano means of course not. Mbano, of course not. Mbano, of course not. We also have ka anyi je, let's go. Ka anyi je, let's go. Ka anyi je, let's go. We also have inonolo. Inonolo means are you home? Inonolo, are you home? Inonolo, are you home? We also have kedu ka imere. How are you doing? Kedu ka imere. How are you doing? We also have anyi aga-ahụ echi. Anyi aga-ahụ echi. Are we going to see tomorrow? Anyi ga-ahụ echi. Anyi ga-ahụ echi. This phrase comes in two different ways. Depends on the tone of your voice. If I say anyi ga-ahụ echi, it's going up. It's going up. It's a question. And the person says anyi ga-ahụ echi. But when you now say anyi ga-ahụ echi, it's going down. Anyi ga-ahụ echi, it means we are going to see tomorrow. But when it's going up, anyi ga-ahụ echi, it becomes a question. Are we going to see tomorrow? When it's coming down, anyi ga-ahụ echi, it means we are seeing tomorrow. Yes, so sometimes that is why in Igbo we have udolu na udala. You know, sometimes the word we use when it's going up, it can mean basically different thing, but the same spelling. When it's going down, it practically means different thing, but the same spelling, just like the example I gave you now. Kedu ebe ino? Where are you? Kedu ebe ino? Where are you? Kedu ebe ino? Where are you? Ina-abata ugbua. Are you coming right? Are you coming right now? Are you coming home right now? Do you understand? Ina-abata ugbua. Depending on the contents when you're talking with the person. Ina-abata ugbua. Are you coming right away? Are you coming home immediately? Are you coming right away? Anam eje ifiche uno. I am going to clean the house. Anam eje ifiche ulo. I am going to clean the house. So guys, this is basically it. If you have not subscribed yet, please try to do so. When you like this video, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. And please stick to this channel for more content. I post the video here every blessed day, so I see no reason why you shouldn't support me by subscribing. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.